Humanity has always strived to survive and thrive in challenging environments, and Israel has turned necessity into innovation. From advanced defense systems to revolutionary water engineering, this small nation is redefining what is possible. Today, we explore how Israel is pioneering technology, protecting its people, and transforming the land itself. Israel's greatest challenge has always been water. With deserts covering more than half the country and rainfall among the lowest in the world, survival once depended on strict rationing and scarcity. But today, Israel has engineered one of the most advanced water systems on Earth, a national network of desalination plants, recycling facilities, and precision irrigation technologies that are turning drought into opportunity. At the heart of this revolution is a breakthrough: the ability to turn seawater into drinking water at a scale no other nation has achieved. From the Mediterranean coast to the deepest parts of the desert, Israel has built a water ecosystem that recycles over 90% of its wastewater, more than any other country on the planet. What was once a land-fighting drought has become a world leader in water innovation. Israel stands at the center of one of the most unpredictable regions on Earth, and its survival has depended on mastering technology, speed, and precision. From the Iron Dome system that intercepts rockets in mid-air, to the David's sling and arrow defense networks that track threats beyond the atmosphere, Israel has built one of the most advanced, multi-layered defense shields in the world. Its military power extends beyond defense, featuring elite special forces, advanced drones, AI-guided surveillance, and cutting-edge armored vehicles like the Merkava Afi. Israel's ability to merge intelligence, engineering, and battlefield experience has created a force that reacts instantly, adapts strategically, and protects its people with unmatched efficiency. In a land where over 60% is desert, Israel has transformed some of the driest places on Earth into thriving green landscapes. From pioneering drip irrigation to climate-controlled desert greenhouses, Israel has turned scarcity into abundance. Today, Israeli farms use precise water delivery systems, AI sensors, and nutrient-optimized irrigation to grow more food using less water than any nation on Earth. In the Negev desert, once barren soil now produces fruits, vegetables, and even vineyards, a living example of how innovation can rewrite nature itself. This is not just farming, it's engineering the future of agriculture. Israel's true power lies in its intelligence network, an interconnected system of satellites, cyber units, reconnaissance drones, and real-time surveillance that detects threats long before they appear. From space to ground level, a multi-layered shield collects information every second, making the invisible visible. And at the heart of this network sits one of the world's most advanced cyber defense forces, capable of stopping attacks before they ever reach the battlefield. When this intelligence is fused together, the result is unmatched situational awareness, giving Israel the power to predict, prepare, and act faster than any threat. While much of the world knows Israel for its defense capability, another side of the nation is quietly transforming lives far beyond its borders. Israel stands at the front line of humanitarian and medical innovation, building technologies that save lives, restore hope, and respond to disaster faster than anyone else on Earth. From cutting-edge emergency response systems to groundbreaking medical breakthroughs, Israeli scientists and engineers are rewriting what is possible. Its hospitals lead advancements in robotic surgery, AI-powered diagnostics, and trauma treatment protocols studied around the world. Meanwhile, field rescue teams deploy life-saving technologies into disaster zones within hours, using drones, thermal imaging, and mobile medical units to locate survivors in places where human rescuers cannot reach. And beyond emergencies, Israel continues to pioneer everyday medical technologies. Wheelchair-mounted exoskeletons helping paralyzed patients walk again, wearable sensors detecting diseases earlier than ever, and biomedical devices improving life for millions across the globe. This is the side of Israel rarely shown. a nation where innovation is not only for protection, but for healing. A country whose greatest strength may be its ability to save lives, no matter where those lives are. In the digital age, Israel isn't just defending its borders, it is safeguarding the world's information. Known as the Cyber Nation, Israel is home to some of the most advanced cybersecurity systems on Earth. From AI-powered threat detection to real-time cyber defense centers, Israel intercepts millions of attacks every single day, long before they reach their targets. Its engineers design algorithms that learn, adapt, and evolve, creating digital shields that protect banks, hospitals, power grids, and entire populations. And beyond defense, Israel's AI ecosystem is pushing innovation into healthcare, agriculture, transportation, and smart cities, proving that the future won't just be protected, it will be intelligent. Israel is a unique place where ancient history and modern science exist side by side. The same land mentioned in the Bible, walked by prophets, kings, and ancient civilizations, is now the home of some of the world's most advanced technology. In Israel, you can stand on thousands-year-old stones. And just a few kilometers away, scientists are developing new medicines, cybersecurity systems, satellites, and artificial intelligence. Here, tradition inspires innovation. Here, the past and the future work together. Israel shows that when history is strong, the future becomes powerful. From deserts transformed into lush landscapes, to life-saving technologies, cutting-edge defense systems, and innovations that touch every aspect of life, Israel shows what is possible when intelligence, creativity, and history converge. A small nation with a powerful vision, protecting its people, advancing humanity, and shaping the future. When nations face crisis, they call Israel. When companies seek innovation, they look to Israel. And when the world thinks of the next big leap forward, Israel often leads the way. This is Israel, where the past inspires the future, and innovation knows no bounds. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories of world-changing technology and groundbreaking discoveries.